Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hey YouTube, Darren here with Grass Ranch Garage, and I've got a little bit of a tech tip here for you. If you own an MTD lawnmower with a tapered shaft fit rear wheel, and that's any lawnmower that looks like this, and has an axle that looks like this, and a wheel hub that looks like this, and you finally did manage to get the rear wheel off, do yourselves a favor. Go ahead and sand the axle shaft smooth and clean, and liberally apply some anti-seize. You'll thank yourself for this in the future when you decide to pull the rear wheels off again. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage, and this has been your tech tip.